In the labyrinth of artificial intelligence, where innovation meets responsibility, one name resonates louder than most: Sam Altman. Picture a trailblazer whose footsteps echo through the corridors of technological advancement. As the co-founder and CEO of OpenAI, Altman wields influence like a maestro conducting the symphony of AI progress. But behind the curtain of success lies a journey rich in pivotal moments and transformative decisions. Join us as we unravel the tapestry of Sam Altman's life and career, tracing the threads that weave him into the fabric of AI's future. From humble beginnings to global prominence, each stage of Altman's story unveils the essence of a visionary leader shaping tomorrow's world today. Explore untold stories of iconic brands and personalities at the Bullish Society. Uncover forgotten archives, secrets, and narratives that shaped our world. Meet visionaries, voices of change, and immerse yourself in defining stories. Subscribe now and join our community of storytellers. Don't miss the tales behind every success and failure. Born in Chicago in 1985, Sam Altman's journey began in the bustling city before his family relocated to the suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. It was there that his fascination with computers and numbers flourished. From a younger age, Sam exhibited remarkable intelligence, delving into programming and Macintosh computers by the age of 8. Technology became his refuge as he navigated the complexities of growing up gay in the Midwest during the early 2000s, finding solace in AOL chat rooms. Receiving his own Apple Macintosh at 8 years old ignited Altman's lifelong passion for technology. With a supportive family by his side, including his mother, a dermatologist, his father, a real estate broker, and siblings Jack, Max, and Annie, Altman's foundation for success was solidified. At John Burroughs School, Sam Altman boldly shared his sexual orientation, making a lasting impact. Growing up gay in the Midwest during the early 2000s presented challenges he navigated silently until his teenage years. Reflecting on his journey, Altman became an advocate for LGBTQ+ inclusivity, championing safe space signs in classrooms. His actions at the prestigious school solidified his transformative role. Altman's journey took a non-traditional turn after 2 years at Stanford University's computer science program. Reflecting on his decisions, he recognized the value of skills honed during late-night poker games, like pattern recognition and decision-making. Leaving Stanford in 2005, Altman founded Loopt, a groundbreaking location-sharing app. Its success caught the attention of Y Combinator, propelling Altman into the tech arena's spotlight. During his Stanford days, Altman ventured into artificial intelligence, laying foundations for future endeavors. In 2017, the University of Waterloo recognized his contributions with an honorary degree. In the mid-2000s, entrepreneurship saw a revolution, led by young tech-savvy minds like Altman. Co-founding Loopt at just 19, he aimed to revolutionize social networking through location sharing. In 2005, Loopt caught the attention of Paul Graham's Y Combinator. Joining its elite ranks, Graham saw Altman as a beacon of his vision, offering not just funding but invaluable guidance. Y Combinator provided Altman's team with $6,000 per founder, along with mentorship, emphasizing the minimum viable product concept. This approach prioritized rapid iteration to capture a loyal user base, a strategy still embraced in startup culture today. Altman's adept leadership left an enduring mark on Paul Graham, who noted his ability to wield power effortlessly. At Loopt, Altman navigated a whirlwind of meetings and negotiations, courting mobile carriers and driving the app's valuation to $175 million. However, despite initial success, dwindling user engagement revealed a harsh truth. Human behavior couldn't be coerced. In 2012, Loopt's journey culminated in acquisition by Green Dot for $43.4 million, a less than stellar return for investors. The acquisition highlighted Loopt's struggle to compete with agile rivals like Foursquare, signaling the challenges faced by standalone location-based apps in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. After departing Loopt, Altman found a new calling within Y Combinator's esteemed halls. Founded on success stories like Dropbox and Airbnb, Y Combinator offered Altman a fresh frontier to conquer in the realm of entrepreneurship. Joining as a part-time partner in 2011, Altman swiftly rose to the presidency in 2014, steering the incubator to new heights. Handpicked by co-founder Paul Graham, Altman embraced the role with fervor, driven by a shared vision for the future of startups. Post-Loopt, Altman ventured into Hydrazine Capital, a venture fund aimed at nurturing startups. Yet disillusioned by the adversarial nature of venture capital, Altman pivoted his focus to philanthropy, pledging his wealth to initiatives aimed at societal betterment. Sam Altman's rise to the presidency of Y Combinator wasn't just a handover of power. It was a predestined journey guided by fate itself. According to co-founder Jessica Livingston, Altman was the natural choice from the start. With leadership firmly in his grasp, Altman wasted no time in setting ambitious goals. His vision? To build a trillion-dollar empire and propel humanity into a future of boundless potential. Recognizing the importance of scientific progress, he opened Y Combinator to hard tech, diving into the challenges of science and engineering. Altman personally invested in fission and fusion startups, taking on leadership roles to drive progress. But Altman's impact went beyond investments. It was a lesson in strategic thinking and decisive action. In Silicon Valley's complex network of relationships, Altman emerged as a master strategist, navigating alliances and rivalries with precision. Founders in need turned to Altman for guidance, relying on his ability to predict the future and chart a path forward. As one Y Combinator founder remarked, "Since Sam can see the future, we want him to tell us what's coming," a testament to Altman's visionary leadership and unwavering dedication to shaping tomorrow's destiny. In the era of rapid technological advancement, artificial general intelligence or AGI emerged as both a promise and a peril. Sensing the looming existential threat, innovators Sam Altman and Elon Musk took action, birthing OpenAI, a non-profit dedicated to averting AGI-induced catastrophe. The genesis of OpenAI reads like a sci-fi epic. Musk's foresight sounded alarms about AGI's potential dangers, epitomized by the paperclip maximizer thought experiment. DeepMind's pursuit of AI supremacy added fuel to the fire, prompting Altman and Musk to unite in a mission to protect humanity. Their collaboration materialized as OpenAI, backed by $1 billion fund and 30 brilliant minds. Yet the organization's true intentions remained shrouded in mystery. Was it a noble quest for benevolent AI, or a covert endeavor with undisclosed motives? As OpenAI embarked on its enigmatic journey, the world awaited with anticipation, pondering the implications of humanity's AI aspirations. Under Sam Altman's leadership, OpenAI has emerged as a guiding light in the ever-changing world of artificial intelligence. With a clear mission in mind, the organization shifted its focus towards a noble goal: to shepherd the development of AGI in a manner that serves humanity's best interests. OpenAI's vision centers around creating AGI that empowers humanity while navigating the risks associated with its emergence. OpenAI's journey has been one of growth and adaptation, marked by key milestones and strategic decisions, transitioning from a non-profit to a capped profit corporation. The organization has remained dedicated to advancing AI research while upholding ethical standards. A significant achievement for OpenAI was its groundbreaking partnership with tech giant Microsoft, a billion-dollar collaboration aimed at accelerating AI innovation and accessibility. This alliance propelled OpenAI onto the global stage, solidifying its position as a leader in artificial intelligence. However, amidst its success, OpenAI faced criticism and controversy. Co-founder Elon Musk raised concerns about the organization's direction, leading to his resignation to avoid potential conflicts of interest with Tesla's AI endeavors. Despite this, Musk continued to support OpenAI through charitable contributions, ensuring its mission continued to thrive. Today, as the CEO of OpenAI, Altman's journey completes its circle, his experiences shaping the trajectory of one of AI's most influential organizations. OpenAI stands as a testament to Altman's vision and resolve, a bastion against the potential dangers of unchecked artificial intelligence. With the recent introduction of GPT-4, OpenAI continues its mission of pushing AI innovation while steadfastly upholding its commitment to responsible development and equitable access for all. Thanks for joining us on this captivating inspiring journey through the stories that shape our world. Your support keeps the Bullish Society thriving. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to never miss a captivating story. More incredible stories and interviews are coming your way. Stay tuned for what's next on the Bullish Society.